Hi, this is Camille from Philippine Times, and with me is Elias and his band, of course.
Ayan, good evening guys. Welcome po dito sa aking YouTube channel, Super Cute TV. So ito panoorin natin mga view. Itong interview, ayan, sa ating mga idol, Elias JTV Band. Ayan, dito po, ayan sa The Philippine Time, ayan, Australia, Brisbane, mga view. So, in-interview po sila guys. Ayan, sila Elias at syempre kasama po yung banda. Ayan an exclusive interview with Elias JTV and his band. And ahead of their sold-out Brisbane show, Talking Music 5 and
I have some really nice questions for Elias. Kaya ba ko na you started, you did like the rubber tapping.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
I talk about
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
This is for our Bisaya, viewers. Pasensya, nakalimot ko.
Okay. Nagsugod ni siya sa kuan. Sa tapping-tapping ng uguma.
Yeah.
And then naging content creator. And then nag-upload ng mga videos yun, nag-viral lahat. Doon nagsimula.
Tapos katong imong, you have this popular move.
Yeah. Doon ko kinuha yun.
Oh, that's so nice. So, kanus aman nimo nahibaw-an na mas ganahan kag music? Because I know na nag-criminology ka, right?
Yeah.
So, kanus nimo na, okay, mag-music ko. This is what I love.
No, passion kasi. Kapag passion mo talaga, kapag gusto mo talaga, yun ang susundin mo.
Yeah. Okay. I want to pan to our band members right here. Is that okay? I'll borrow my microphone. Anyone can answer this. I'll give this to you.
The oldest one.
Yeah. So, guys, I know like you're humble to say that
check
dili pa mo sikat, you're still going there, pero unsa inyong nakita in the future for Elias JTV Band? Where is this going? Unsay, like, I don't know, maybe a couple of years from now, asa ninyo nakita yung kaugalingon?
So maybe January cute abot mapanahon siguro. Kung ano ngayon siguro i-triple namin.
Oh, wow.
Ganyan yung confident namin kasi stay humble pero talagang magtrabaho talaga araw-araw.
Of course, yeah.
We will continue to to sipra. Yeah.
Make people happy and then
At saka honest kami lahat. Yeah.
Yes, I know you already have a lot of followers in Australia, pero invite your fans and future fans in Australia.
Well, once again, our kababayan dito sa sa Australia. So, ngayong darating na 2026 March, so babalik kami dito sa Melbourne, Perth, at saka Sydney. So, kita-kits tayo sa March 2026 and mag-ingat kayo lahat and I love you all. God bless always and more blessings sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much and once again.
Thank you so much. That was Elias JTV Band. It's amazing how they came from humble beginnings. They're the pride of Mindanao, but right now they're touring all over the world, bringing hope and joy sa atong mga kababayan. You guys, it gives like that joy, that energy that we need right now. So thank you to you and your band.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
This
much.
has been Camille.
Thank you. And now, thank you so much. God bless us all.